Good morning. Today we will continue with the chapter The 100 Dresses Part 1. So, till now we have read that it was Wanda Petronsky who was the target of Peggy and Maddie and the other girls who were there in the school. So, what they did was they did tease her because they felt she was quite different from them, and her name was also a weird one. So later on, we read that it was Maddie. Like, she decided that she will write a note to Peggy, and Maddie, shook at the imagination of being the new target for these girls, for Peggy and the other girls. So she was quite afraid that the girls were going to ask her from where did she get her dress, and that dress that she wore was handed over by Peggy. So it was actually Peggy's. So Maddie's mother, she got it transformed with the new trimmings, the laces, the ribbons, so that none of her classmates could identify it. So now let's continue. So turn to page number 68 of your textbook. If only Peggy would decide of her own accord to stop having fun with Wanda. Oh well, Maddie ran her hand through her short blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. What difference did it make? Slow Maddie tore into bits the note she had started. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. So Maddie, she thought that she wished that Peggy stopped having fun with Wanda on her own. So what she did was, she just ran her hand through her hair. So that was just a gesture to drive away all those thoughts that were coming to her mind. So she just said to herself that Peggy is the most liked girl in room number 13, and she is her best friend also. So she could not be wrong. Then after that, what she did was the note that she started writing to stop Peggy, just to tell her that whatever she was doing was not correct. So she tore that and she threw that note away. And she was quite afraid also that she will lose her friend, and she did not want to lose her best friend, Peggy. As for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived up on Bogan Heights and stood alone in the schoolyard. She scarcely ever said anything to anybody. The only time she talked was in the schoolyard about her 100 dresses. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, pale blue with colored trimmings, and she remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with a red sash. You would look like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in pretended admiration. Pretended is not genuine. Admiration means respect and warm approval. So now, here, so now we see that Maddie, when she had cleared her thoughts about confessing to Peggy, then she started thinking about Wanda, and she thought that she is a girl. She was just another girl living in Bogan Heights, and she scarcely, that means she hardly spoke to anyone. And it was only in the schoolyard that she did speak, and it was about 100 dresses. So Maddie, she just remembered that time, like she remembers when Wanda, she was talking about her pale blue dress. So she remembers telling about her pale blue dress with colored trimmings. And she said that she has another brilliant jungle green dress with a red sash. And when she told this, so that time Everybody started laughing, and the girls they said that in that dress, the jungle green dress with the red sash, she will look like a Christmas tree. Thinking about Wanda and her 100 dresses all lined up in the closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and the coloring contest. For girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses, and for the boys, of designing motorboats. Probably Peggy would win the girls' medal. Peggy drew better than anyone else in the room. At least, that's what everybody's thought. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star's head so that you could almost tell who it was. Oh, Maddie was sure Peggy would win. Well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners, then they would know. So now, in this, what is given here is that while she was thinking about Wanda, so she just started thinking, Maddie, she started thinking about the drawing contest. So that was to be held, and she was just wondering who will win the contest amongst the girls. And for the girls, it was the drawing and the coloring contest, and like they had to design dresses, and for the boys, they had to design motorboats. So she felt that it was Peggy who would win, and it was like she felt that she will be the winner. Peggy will be the winner of the competition because she was the best artist in room number 13, and she was so good that she could copy the exact pictures and recognizable portraits also. And she was sure that it was Peggy only who would win, and the results will be announced the next day when everyone would know what's what and who is the winner. The next day it was drizzling. Maddie and Peggy hurried to the school under Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, on a day like this, they did not wait for Wanda Petronsky on the corner of the Oliver Street, the street that far, far away under the railroad tracks and up the hill led to Bogan Heights. Anyways, they weren't taking chances on being late today because today was important. So now in this, what happens is the day when the results were to be announced. So that was the day when it was drizzling, when it was there was a light rain that was falling, and it was like these two friends. They just came quickly to the school without waiting for Wanda Petronsky. And it is generally what happens is that these girls, they used to wait for Wanda Petronsky so that they can make fun of her. But that day, they did not wait for her at Oliver Street. So Oliver Street, and this Oliver Street, it led to Bogan Heights. That was the place where Wanda Petronsky lived. But these girls, they did not wait that day. And although whenever it was raining also, so what these girls would do is they would wait for her, and they would make fun of her. But on such a day when the results were to be announced, so it was a very crucial day. So these girls, they decided not to wait for Wanda Petronsky, but they moved straight to the